Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making chicken lo mein with ginger mushrooms. This is a great stir fry. It's a quick dish to throw together, just a few different components to master and you'll have it down. So the first thing, big pot of boiling salted water. We're going to drop our spaghetti into. Let that begin to cook. We have a pan with some vegetable oil heating up over medium-high heat. To that, we're going to add some chicken breast, which we have cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to season them with some fresh cracked black pepper, pinch of kosher salt, okay, we have rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, grated ginger. We have a cornstarch slurry that'll act as a thickener. And a slurry is just cornstarch diluted in water or chicken stock or soy sauce or any liquid. Add that in. Now to our pan with hot oil, we're going to add just a touch of red pepper flake. If this is a little bit too spicy for you and your family, maybe the kids don't have the spicy palate that adults have, you don't have to use the crushed red pepper. We're going to infuse the oil with a little bit of its flavor just for a little bit of heat, but in place of it you could use a little bit of cracked black pepper, or you could even infuse it with the flavor of garlic or something in its place so that you don't have the heat. Anything to just kind of flavor the oil will work just fine. But we're going to use a little bit of red pepper flake. Okay, we're going to let that kind of season the oil for just a second before we begin sauteing our chicken. You want to do it just until your oil becomes fragrant. All right, now what we're going to do is saute our chicken. We're going to add our shredded cabbage and our mushrooms. Saute all that together until our chicken is just browned on the outside. Then we're going to remove all of that into a bowl and set it aside until our noodles are done. We'll add those in, begin to saute those with a little bit of the remaining soy sauce and rice wine vinegar, and then we'll add our chicken and things back in. So we're going to go in with our chicken. Careful, this one might pop a little bit. All right, so once your chicken begins to brown, you can add first the mushrooms. Then we have some of our cabbage. All this to stir. Take a second to clean up while that works down. Check our noodles in just a second. Okay, while that's working, give our noodles a check. They're just about where we need them. Now, take a bowl. All right, return your pan to the heat. Gonna drain our noodles. Let that set aside. Okay, here's a quick tip. To avoid any more splattering than you already have when you have things sauteing or stir frying over high heat, I'm patting my noodles kind of dry before I add them back into the pan to kind of crisp up. Soy sauce and rice wine vinegar mixture. Your noodles soak that up. Our shallots. Let go for just a couple of minutes. Okay. Now we're ready to add our pre-cooked mixture back in, just long enough for the chicken to cook all the way through. And this dish will be done. So we'll give it just a few more minutes and we'll be good to go.